Hey guys, it's me Poppy Rain here with part 2 of cleaning out the fridge. If you guys saw in part 1, we wiped down, we took everything out of the fridge, threw away what needed to be thrown away, put in a to-go pile what needed to be donated, wiped down the baseboard of the inside of the fridge, the whole door, restocked the whole door. Now, I still have to spray and wipe out all 3 drawers, all 3 shelves, and I'm getting really tired. Like, I don't want to spend another 45 minutes cleaning out this fridge, because it's already taken me 45 minutes to clean out this fridge. So, hopefully I can get this done in less than 45 minutes. Because this is really gnarly, dude. So, I sprayed the one drawer already. I'm going to spray the other. Right now, I'm going to go through and just spray everything. I'm not, like, taking the drawers out and looking behind them and all that. So that's a lot of work I don't feel like doing. I'm exhausted. And I still want to get more work done around the house. I still have other stuff I have to get done for tonight. I think I have to go pick Kelsey up around... I'm hoping she'll let me pick her up around 4. Because I want to stop at Dollar Tree today, if they're open. So, yeah. So I'm going to do drawer number 1 right now. Okay, so they're not going to be perfectly clean, but they're going to be cleaner. Ugh. I'm going to probably have to get more paper towels. What do I even do with my paper towels? They're right behind me. Okay, so since I don't have a lot of fruits or vegetables, drawer number 1 is going to be fruits and vegetables combined. So we've got my Palm Wonderful little cup. I don't remember what apples we said we were saving. I think we said we were saving this apple. This big bag of apples. And no, I don't mean we don't eat fruits and vegetables. We just eat a lot of canned fruits and vegetables and and frozen. And then our 2 things of peppers. If I can even get that. Okay, this next drawer I'm going to use for all our eggs and our shredded cheese. Because we have so much, it doesn't all fit in the little drawer. That's probably going to need to be rinsed again. And I'm going to need another thing of paper towels. Because this drawer is really bad. Let's do number 2. Let me grab another thing of paper towels and take this down. Rinse this off. My hands have cleaner on them, so it's going to take me a minute. don't worry, this is made for pots and pans, so it's food safe, I would assume. If it's made for pots and pans. And like I said in the previous video, this is a brand new sponge. It's cleaner than what it was, but it's not great. Okay, so what I said, we were going to put... Ew, why is there a leaf on me? We're going to put our 3 pieces of eggs in here, if they fit. And our 4 bags of shredded cheese. And our 4 bags. So we have the 2 bags. So the one is Fiesta Blood mixed with sharp cheddar. The other one's 2 bags of sharp cheddar combined, 2.5 bags, and 2 things of mozzarella. Okay. Like I said, it's not going to be 100% clean, but it's going to be like 80-90% clean. Okay. This is probably going to need to be rinsed out again. On this shelf, we usually put like our bigger items. So like our milk and that kind of stuff. Like I said, I gotta put milk on our grocery list because I think this milk will be, it expires tomorrow. So I think it should be good. It should last us till Friday. And I get new wick on Friday anyways. I don't know what the hell spilled all over our milk, but yeah. Milk, coffee, creamer, this next shelf is usually where we keep our smaller items. So I'll put like our breads and our meats and stuff on this smaller shelf. Our fridge right now is only about halfway full because we've been really bad. We've been eating out a lot. I mean, not like terrible. So, in the last week, today's what, Sunday? Last Sunday we ate home for breakfast and lunch. Ate dinner at my dad's. Monday we ate breakfast and dinner at my dad's and didn't eat lunch. Tuesday we cooked and I ate lunch at home or at work. Took lunch with me. I'm trying to think. I know Thursday I think was when we did takeout. Thursday was when we did Chinese. Thursday, so yeah, I mean, we've been eating out a lot in the last couple days. Thursday we did Chinese. Friday we did, what did we do Friday? Oh, Friday Daddy brought home subs from Subway. And then yesterday we ate out for lunch and dinner. We did McDonald's and we did Taco Bell. And then tonight we're getting food and taking it over to Daddy's sister's house. On this shelf, I'm going to put all the leftovers that need to be eaten. This meat that needs to be used up. Oh, I'm going to put this Bailey's on this fake Bailey's on the bottom too. I can't stand that up. This minced garlic can go right here in a spot in the door. These can go up here on top of the pepperoni. I'll throw these little shot bottles up there too so that they don't get lost. And we'll put this. So on this shelf, we're going to put leftovers that need to be eaten. So my leftover cottage cheese mixture from last night. The rest of my soup that I didn't eat for breakfast this morning. The rest of my Chinese, the meat that needs to be used up, we're going to put, if there's room, my pickles that I need to eat, and this Parmesan, and the pasta sauce that needs to be used. And I guess we'll put this there too, the hummus, and then we'll put the non-flat bread products that are opened on the shelf as well. So it's not going to fit because of the drawer. So we'll put the bread on the bottom shelf. So we've got the white bread that's opened, the whole wheat bread, and the 2 things of bagels. Then the top shelf, we'll do all the dairy product. We'll do the ranch, sour cream, cheese, cottage cheese, yogurt, butter, and then the wraps and the pizza stuff will go back in their drawer. And that should be it. This lovely fridge clean out. If I was doing a thorough clean out, this probably would have taken me another, oh, I don't know, hour or so to do. This probably would have taken me another half hour. But I'm not. I haven't done this much in like 6 months. So like I said, it's 90% done. It's about 70, or it's about 90% clean. It's 100% organized. So then in the drawer, we're gonna put the thin crust for the pizza, tortillas. We do a lot of tacos, wraps, things like that. I gotta put taco seasoning on our list. That's another thing I gotta add to my grocery list, taco seasoning. So putting all the wraps back in here. these veggies that are, the fruits over here are going to Bunny Bun. Because they're like, at the point where they're starting to go bad, but they're not unsafe yet. So that's at the point when Bunny gets them. Typically. Then we're going to put in our yogurt, our sour cream, our butter, our cottage cheese, our Parm cheese, and our ranch. I almost said blue cheese. And our ranch. And then all that's left to do now is go give Bunny his treats. Sit for a minute, catch my breath. Put this stuff in the sink that needs to be washed. Pick up this stuff and take pictures of all this stuff that I'm donating to see if somebody wants to come pick it up. Be like, hey, somebody want to come pick this shit up? I don't want it. I'm not going to use it. But yeah, I'm going to go and I will catch you guys on the flip side. Bye, guys.